try factoring a squared minus 9. So it's nice to know something called the difference of squares. In general, when you see something squared minus something squared, it can be rewritten and factored as bracket bracket. It's going to be the square root of x squared is x plus that second variable, the square root of the second variable, bracket x minus the square root of y squared, which is y. Let's try to apply it to a concrete example. So if you recognize that this is a difference of squares problem, you just set up your two brackets and you write, instead of a squared, you write a times a is a squared, and just write plus and minus the square root of 9, which is 3. If you don't believe that these are equivalent, try foiling it out. First, a times a is a squared. Outside, a times negative 3 is negative 3a. Inside, 3 times a is positive 3a. And last, 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. As you can see, the middle terms always cancel for difference of squares, which is why we can factor this way. Now you try. Try factoring 4x squared minus 25. Do you recognize that you can square root the first term? What times what is 4x squared? 2x times 2x is 4x squared. And can you take the square root of 25? Indeed, you write plus minus 5 and 5. Now let's try one more. Can you factor x squared plus 4? Now you may be tempted to write x plus 2, but this is incorrect. If you expand this out, you get x squared plus 4x plus 4. This is incorrect. And even if you wrote x plus 2, x minus 2, it still doesn't work. Now in this case, we get x squared minus 4, which is not the original question. So when it comes to the quadratic and factoring x squared plus some number, remember that when it's a plus sign, we cannot factor it.